Good morning, students. Now we're going to see about the software engineering section. That software engineering, first of all, in one, we are seeing about the software engineering or the basic software engineering. Software engineering means it stands for procedure to design and develop your software. How we are going to develop the software, who are developing that software, I think we are going to see in this section. That means first is what is software engineering means it provides standard procedure to design and develop a software. Then the term software engineering means we can split it as well as software and engineering. Then software engineering definitions. In that software engineering definition by IEEE, that person is saying that application of a systematic discipline quantifiable approach to the development, design, operations, and maintenance of software. First of all, what in the software means? That means we are giving the instructions to the computer, then how the data are structured, the dynamics from the programs to adequately manipulate the information and descriptive information of both hardware and virtual forms. That means that is called as software. Then in software, there are so many types of categories. That is, first one is system software, application software, engineering or scientific software, web application software, and artificial intelligence software. First of all, then what are the characteristics of software? First of all, the software is developed by engineers. It is not manufactured by the classical sense. That means software does not wear out. Although the industry is moving towards the component-based constructions, most of them continues to be custom built. The industry persons are mostly moved towards the component-based constructions. Then software is developed. Next is what are the applications in software? That is system software. In system software, collections of programs written to service other programs, compilers and editors. Application software means is standalone program that solves a specific business needs. Example, online ticket booking. Then engineering and scientific software means the application ranges from astronomy to accountancy, from automated stress analysis to space the shuttle orbital dynamics. Then embedded software. Embedded software means, for example, we can say it as ATM system. There, the resides within a product or system. The product line software means it will be designed to provide a specific capability for use by many different customers. For product line software, we can say the example word processing and spreadsheets. Then web applications. Web applications means in website how we are using that applications. A set of linked hypertext files are present information using text and limited graphics. In web application, they are using the limited graphics and using the text. Then artificial intelligence software. That means applications within this area included robotics, expert systems, pattern recognition, artificial neural networks. These are all. Then gaming playing. These are all come from the artificial intelligence software. These are the applications we used in the software. That means web application, artificial intelligence, web application. Then product line software, embedded software with that. Then new challenges. What are the new challenges in this? Open world computing. That is, open world computing is that means to develop the system and application softwares. For developing the system and application software, the open world computing is used in mobile devices and personal computer also. The next one is net sourcing. Net sourcing means it is targeted to the end user markets worldwide. Then open source. Open source means a growing trend that results in distributing of source code for the system applications. Open source means anybody can use that software. That is called as the open source. That means a growing trends. All the users can use that software. That is called open source. Then next, in software engineering, there are so many layers. That means tools, methods, process, and quality focus. First of all, layer means it has some quality that one by one we can lay it out. That is an organizational committee to quality, code, quality management, and Six Sigma. Then layer process has the defines a framework that must be established for effective delivery of software engineering. What are the things the software is delivered, that is processed by defining the framework that must be established, that is called as the layers. The basics for management control of software project. What are the projects we are going to do? In that, the first we have to framework that system and then establish it. Then task. What are the tasks? Means communication, requirement analysis, design modeling, program construction, testing, and support. First, we have to communicate it. What are the things we have to do it? What are the requirements we needed? We have to analyze it. Then we have to design based on that requirement. Then program should be constructed based on the requirements and designing models. Then we have to testing it. Then we have to find out what are the errors is there in that project. Then we have to support to that project and we have to rectify that project. These are the layers present in the software engineering. Then tools. What are the tools? First we have to automate or semi-automated support for the process and the methods. What are the process we have going to do in the project? For that we have to automated and semi-automated support should be done in the process and the methods. The system should be supported for the software development called computer-aided software engineering. For software developing, first of all we needed the system support, that is called as computer aided software engineering. The nature of software. Nature of software is in instructions, that is beside features, functions, performance, and executed data structure. Data structures that enables the program to aggregate, manipulate, and information. Then documents that are describe the operations and use of document.